Dear student, here in this part of lecture we will discuss Brazenham's line drawing algorithm, which is very famous for this purpose in raster graphics. If we have given endpoints ax, ay and bx, by of a line and want to determine best sequence of intervening pixels, then before implementing this algorithm, we first make two simplifying assumptions which can be removed in the later stages. The assumption are: number 1, ax less than bx, and number 2, 0 less than m less than 1, and also need to define width w is equal to bx minus ax and height h is equal to by minus ay. These assumptions are used to implement Brazenham's line drawing algorithm following the midpoint approach. Based on the previous slide assumptions that are w, h are positive and h less than w, where h is height and w is width, the step 2 of the algorithm is as x steps in plus 1 increments, then y increment or decrement by less equal plus 1 or minus 1. After that, step 3, y value sometimes stays same, sometimes increases by 1. This is because of the assumption taken above. And finally, at point 4, midpoint algorithm determines which happens. Here in this slide, Brazenham's line drawing algorithm is pictorially depicted, and the computation is shown at the right side of the slide. If we observe on the grid, the blue squares are the pixels which are turned on after the computation of the algorithm, whereas white rectangles are the starting and ending point of the line. Now students, if you focus on the computation at the right side of the slide, consider pixel midpoint m into mx, my, where m is calculated as m is equal to x0 plus 1, y0 plus 1 by 2, which shows half of the midpoint. Then build equation of line through a compare to midpoint to conclude two decisions. If midpoint is above line, then y stays same. If midpoint is below line, y increases plus 1. Dear students, using the midpoint concept discussed in the previous slide, in this slide we will define the midpoint expression for Brazenham's line drawing algorithm. If you observe on the slide, we have a line which has starting point ax, ay and ending point bx, by, and also the midpoint x, y. Then as per assumption, h over w, that is height over width, is equal to y minus ay over x minus ax. This is our step 1. At step 2, after cross multiplication, we have h into x minus ax is equal to w into y minus ay. Then in step 3, we move the right hand side of the step 2 equation to the left hand side in step 3. Then the positive value become negative as per algebraic rules, and the whole equation become equal to 0. Therefore, in step 3 we have minus w into y minus ay plus h into x minus ax is equal to 0. Hence, this equation is the ideal equation of line through ax comma ay and bx comma by. Thus, any point x comma y that lie on ideal line makes equation is equal to 0. At last, we have final equation fx comma y is equal to minus 2 into w into y minus ay plus 2 into h into x minus ax. 2 is multiplied to double the expression in order to avoid floats in the later stages. Hence, the equation is Bresenham's line drawing algorithm using the midpoint technique. Keeping the midpoint equation for Bresenham line drawing algorithm, the algorithm works if number one condition x comma y less than 0, then x comma y is above the line. Number two, if fx comma y greater than 0, then x comma y below the line. And if fx comma y is equal to 0 and on the line, then increase y keeping x constant, fx comma y becomes more negative. Here is the example to find the line segment between 3,7 and 9,11 using Bresenham line drawing algorithm midpoint approach. Putting the values in the midpoint equation, we have minus 12 into y minus 7 plus 8 into x minus 3. If we replaces fx comma y with 0, which means we are considering that the points are on line, then the new intermediate point a is equal to 4 comma 4 lies below line since f is equal to 44 and b is equal to 5 comma 9 lies above line since f is equal to minus 8. Hence, in this way, we can compute the midpoints for new intervening pixels which need to be on for completing the line. Hence, dear students, this is the concept of Bresenham's line drawing algorithm. In the next lecture, I will provide you two renowned tutorial, one for DDA and one for Bresenham's line drawing algorithm, which help you to clear the concepts of both algorithms in more convenient way. So stay tuned.